Hello, hello, happy Sunday evening. The good news is I dropped the phone into the paint before I began taping. Over here's where it landed. Yes. I hope everybody's doing well tonight. I'm just cleaning off my dignity. Here we go. I did a paint pour the other night. Let me show you the colors. I love the colors so well. This is on a 10 by 20 that I want to put them together in a ribbon pour. So I have the 12 by 12 set up here. I've got one moment here. Okay. Stay, very good. Okay, I have some paint on there so it will flow easily. Now let's put some colors into the cup. I love the purples. I have them all set up here, what I used. I'm not sure if you're able to see that. I don't even want to touch the phone to find out. Okay, but I did use the Deco Art Extreme Sheen Sapphire, Artist Loft Turquoise, Deco Art, Extreme Sheen Sky Blue Topaz, Folk Art Dragon Flash, Deco Art Extreme Sheen Jadite, Folk Art Color Shift Green Flash. Oh, we're coming up to the... Okay. Howdy. Artist Loft Light Violet. Artist Loft Neon Violet. Here's the one I can never remember what the heck it is because the bottle is so messed up. Okay, it is the Dioxizine Purple by L. I cannot think of it. So anywho, I was taping along. I was kind of like, okay, this is okay. Then the taping stopped. It's like, well, fudge nuts. Mother bear and her 69 cubs. Right? Okay. So I said, okay, fine. We're not going to try and do an outro. We're just going to forget it, leave it, let it dry, try something else. So, this is where we are. What color should I start out with, though? The color that goes on the bottom comes out. Okay, yep. That still made no sense to me. So, we're going to go with the blues. Make sure this is setting straight. Goodness, we're going to start out with the Sapphire. Here we go. I thought they played very well together. And you thought I was going to do a blowout, didn't you? Well, I thought about it. But I didn't. There we go. It's a turquoise. And here comes the sky blue topaz. Yay. Alrighty. Then we got the wonderful Folk Art Dragon Flash. The The Deco Art Jadite, which is a pretty green. Here we go. A lot of you in there. I don't think I'm going to need any gold or silver. And the Folk Art Color Flash. Color Shift. Goodness. Green Flash. Boy, that was ready to go in there. My goodness gracious. It was in a hurry. And we're going to do these backwards. We're going to first do the... I think it's Liquitex. You know, I've got to look that up and write it a lot better on there, or get some of the crap off here. We're going to start with that. In the purple, we're going to start with the dark and then go towards the light. Alrighty. Next comes the neon violet. I momentarily thought, oh, what is this? Put that right on the canvas. Yeah, we'll be fine. We'll be fine. And now we have the Artist Loft Light Violet. I'm kind of sick that I'll be messing up the skin that I have back here. But hey, I might get a better one out of it, right? Okay, we're going to start over again with the Sapphire. Le Turquoise. It looks like it just wants to fall over. Whoopsie doody. Need to mix up more of that, don't we? Sky Blue Topaz. Dragon Flash. I do like the golds in that Dragon Flash. Ew. Maybe that's what was so... Okay, keep on topic. Alrighty. The Jadite. Green Flash. We barely have any room for the purples. Dioxizine. Boom. Neon. You know, I almost probably could have gotten a larger canvas. Yikes. I'd say let's try a 12 by or 14 by 14, but I've already got this on here and fart knuckles. Okay. Alrighty. Maybe if we have any leftovers, we'll use it on something else. Like bookmarks. Hey, there's an idea. Yes. Alright, guys. And we got a full, probably 9 or 10 ounces here. Which is going to be way more than this needs. Dagnabbit. Okay, just do it. We're just going to do a ribbon for. I hope the weekend has been good to you. I know I got gloves out. It was 82 here today. Yes. We had some thunder boomers this morning. Princess said, I'm going under the bed, Mom. I'm like, you go right ahead. I'm just going to listen to the thunder while I watch SpongeBob. Don't make me excuse me, don't make me never mind. Sorry if you heard that burp. Ooh, lordy. I just had a pot roast. Ooh, I think it was good. Alright. And let's just start tilting here. See what we can do. Try and... I don't want to lose that pretty neon. Yikes. Bonk. Okay. Alrighty. Is everybody good? Kinda. Okay. Oopsie. Oh, good. I just splashed onto the floor. You've seen the floor. It's not gonna matter. Right? Okay. Try and get my hands a little bit depainted. Try not to drip onto here. Well, heck, just take the gloves off. Okay. Goodness. Alright, we're going to go over this with the torch. These are some odd colors, aren't they? Combined. Oh, it was already on. This is not good. That means I forgot to turn it off last time. Now I'm thinking, crud, I should have put some gold into here. But we'll see how it dries. I am going to bring you down for a close-up. You know the rules, guys. Helmets and seatbelts. Lock them in. And here we go. Phone, don't fail me now. Alrighties. There's the chair. Okay. See that? Oh, that neon is so pretty. I see a little bubble we may want to try and take care of. I see a couple of them. Okay. Wow. Alrighties. Not looking too bad here. Okay. Alrighty, guys. That seems to be the white that's coming through there, which I think is awesome. It looks kind of pearly. So, yeah. Okay, guys. Well, thank you so much for joining me in my nails in my hand. I hope if you haven't yet, you subscribe. Hit that bell for notification, please. And to my subscribers, thank you so very much. I want to wish everyone a wonderful week ahead. If I don't see you before Friday, I may be on my Criminy Friday. I may be on my Criminy Wednesday. I don't know until they tell me. And you guys, stay safe. Be kind to others, okay? We'll see you guys next time on Happy with a Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. Bye-bye.